Welcome to 99minds, the platform to manage omni-channel loyalty and gift card programs. In this video, we're going to dive into how you can sell physical gift cards on your Shopify store. To begin, log into the 99minds dashboard and navigate to the Integration tab. You'll notice that Shopify is already installed there. Next, click on the Manage button. Here, we'll need to adjust a setting. Make sure to enable the option for Sell Physical Gift Card from the Gift Card widget. It's important that this setting is in an enabled state. It looks like it's already enabled, which is great. Now, let's head over to the 99minds widget, specifically the gift card widget. Click on Customize. Under Delivery Channels, you'll find the gift card type. If you want to offer both digital and physical cards, simply select both. If you're focusing on physical cards only, then select Physical. The delivery channel is set to email, so ensure that's checked before clicking Save. At this point, let's add the denominations for the physical cards. You might already have denominations for digital cards, like 15, 20, 25, 50, 100, and we're adding 200 as well. Just hit Enter after adding each denomination. Remember to click Save. This ensures that all the settings from the widget are properly enabled. Hit that Save button. You can now close this window. Return to the dashboard, and let's head over to the Shopify store section. Here we are at the Shopify store. Let's take a look at the gift card section. You can search for the gift card here. Once you've found it, you'll see the 99mind gift card displayed. This is the physical gift card window, featuring denominations of 15, 20, 25, 50, 100, and 200. Let's check the theme. Navigate to the theme section in 99mind and ensure you're using the physical gift card theme. Verify that both the theme in 99mind and the store's theme match. With this setup, you're ready to buy gift cards directly from the store. Here, you can add email IDs if needed. Click on Add to Cart after choosing your denomination, like a $15 gift card. Proceed to checkout, where you can finalize your purchase. Fill in all the required details, select your payment method, and click Pay Now. The gift card you purchased will be visible in 99minds order sections. This is how you can enable the physical option from the integration and successfully sell 99minds gift cards on your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.